In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to animate the bird. So, open up Flash and choose ActionScript 3.0. Since this is for mobile devices, I'll now change my resolution to 640 by 960. So this is the resolution for iPhone 4. So let's just zoom out. And then, let's now have our bird. So I'll now create a simple bird. So there you go. Change the color. Let's make that brown. And let's also have the wings. So probably just a simple rectangle. Somehow that looks like a snitch. There you go. Then Control C, Control V. So copy and paste and place this one here. Alright, now I'll convert this one now into a movie clip symbol. So I'll just highlight everything. Press F8 or go to Modify, Convert to Symbol. And make sure this is a movie clip and press OK. Under your Property Inspector, you would see the instance name here. You could call the instance name as with any name you like. So in my case, I'll type in bird. Now double click this one. And then I'll have 2 frames for this image. So under frame 2 here, I'll press F6. So frame 1 has the same image. The second frame has the same image. Next thing that I have to do, I'll create another layer. And then on this layer, here on the first frame, I'll just type in stop. What I want to happen here is on the first frame, the bird now is stationary. And here on the second frame, the bird now would be moving. So press F6 here on frame 2, right click, actions, and click and type in stop. Right? So while I am on frame 2, I'll select everything. Then again, convert this one into a movie clip. So modify, convert to symbol, or press F8. And then make sure this is a movie clip. Press OK. Double click now this one. What I want to happen is now to animate the wings. So probably I'll separate this one into another layer. So I'll create one layer again. Highlight this one with a yellow rectangle on top. Cut it, so Command X for Mac or Control X for Windows. And then go to layer 2 and then Control Shift V to paste in place. Or go to Edit and then paste in place. There you go. That should be Control Shift V. So Control Shift V. There you go. Alright. Next, I'll create another layer for the bottom wing. Double click this one. Control X to cut it, or Command X for Mac. Go to layer 3 and then Control Shift V to paste in place. So you would see it somehow is like this. Right? Layer 3 is my lower wing. Layer 2 is my upper wing. And then layer 1 is my body. I'll convert this one now into a graphic symbol. So double click, F8 or modify, convert to symbol. Make sure this one is a graphic symbol. Right? Registration point, place it here, and then press OK. Same thing for the bottom one. Double click it, press F8, then graphic symbol. However, the registration point, place it here, and press OK. Now it's time now to animate this one. So I'll have a 30-second animation. So what I want to happen is now to change the pivot point for this one. So click on Q to free transform, or just simply select this one. This one. And then if you would see the white circle here, just place it here. Same thing here. Right? All I want to happen is to change the registration point here, or the pivot point here. Now let's have a 30-second animation. So place your mouse here on the timeline and then insert the keyframe. Insert a keyframe again, then insert a keyframe for here. Now on the middle frame for layer 2 and layer 3, let's just rename this one. Let's call this first as our bottom wing. Then here, let's call this as upper wing. And then this one as our body. So at frame 15 on the upper wing, just insert the keyframe. Same thing for the upper wing. Sorry. Insert keyframe. So the bottom wing and the upper wing, I'll insert the keyframe under frame 15. Alright? Now while this is on frame 15, what I want to happen is for the wing to get shorter. Same thing here. I'll make the wing shorter. So notice it would be something like that. Now once you have that one, place now your cursor in between these two keyframes, right click, and then just type in select create classic tween. Same thing for this one, right click, create classic tween, then right click, create classic tween, then right click, create classic tween. So you would see now my wing to be animating somehow as like this. Alright, so let's preview that. There you go. So it's just a simple animation. I just want you to understand the concept of animating a movie clip. Alright? So I'll see you in the next lesson.